Different types of animals in this world are grouped based on their characteristics. About 75% of all species on Earth are animals. Animals are then broken down into two main types, vertebrates and invertebrates. Animals with a backbone are vertebrates. Vertebrates are further broken down into 5 groups: amphibians, birds, fish, mammals, and reptiles. Animals without a backbone are invertebrates. So, most invertebrates are insects, but there are over 1 million species of invertebrates in the world. In total, the animal kingdom is grouped into 6 types of animals: mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, fish, and insects, or invertebrates. There are over 5,500 living species of mammals all over the world. The most popular examples of mammals are bats, elephants, hamsters, humans, rabbits, aardvarks, rhinoceroses, and whales. Most mammals give birth to their young ones. These newly born mammals get nourishment from milk produced by their mothers. All mammals have fur or hair on their body. Their jaw is hinged directly to their skull, unlike all other vertebrates. Mostly they are warm-blooded. Birds are some of the most recognizable animals, and we see different types of birds every day. The most common birds are chickens, hummingbirds, falcons, flamingos, ostriches, owls, parrots, penguins, and pigeons. Most birds fly, but not all of them. Despite that, they do all have wings. Birds have beaks that help them catch and swallow food. They are bipedal and have hollow bones. Their bodies are covered in feathers. They lay eggs to reproduce and are warm-blooded, meaning they maintain their own constant body temperature. Different species of reptiles can be tiny or huge. These animals include snakes, lizards, crocodiles, caimans, alligators, turtles, geckos, chameleons, lizards, and snakes. The first reptiles evolved approximately 320 million years ago from the advanced four-limbed vertebrates. Reptiles have 4 legs, or are descended from animals with 4 legs. They breathe through lungs. Their bodies are covered in scales, or scuts. They lay eggs to reproduce, and are cold-blooded, meaning they cannot maintain their own constant body temperature. So they hibernate during the winter season. You can find examples of amphibians all around the world. In some cases, examples of amphibians seem like the same animals, but they can be quite different, like frogs, newts, salamanders, and toads. All amphibians are vertebrates, and they need moist environments, or water, to survive. They absorb water and breathe through their thin skin. They have at least one special skin gland, used for defense. Most follow the life cycle of egg, larva, adult. They are cold-blooded, meaning they cannot maintain their own constant body temperature. There are over 30,000 species of fish alive today, more than all other vertebrate groups combined. For example, eels, hagfish, dolphins, starfish, stingrays, salmon, seahorses, and predators like sharks. Fish are also vertebrates, and they are considered the oldest known vertebrates. They lay many eggs at a time. They are cold-blooded, which means they rely on their surroundings to regulate their body temperature. Fish have fins. Most, but not all fish, have bodies covered in scales, and they breathe through their gills. They live underwater. Most invertebrates are insects, which have a segmented body, but there are over 1 million species of invertebrates in the world. For example, clams, coral, crabs, earthworms, flatworms, insects, sea urchins, snails, spiders, and sponges, etc. Invertebrates, or insects, do not have bones. Usually their body is divided into 3 segments: head, thorax, and end part. Approximately 95% of all animals are invertebrates. Invertebrates do not have a backbone. There are different types of invertebrates, but they all share a few characteristics. They are made up of many cells that work together, or are multicellular. Most, but not all, have tissues, cells that work together, in a more complex way. They generally have soft bodies.
If you liked this educational interactive video, check out our complete range of educational digital course books. Visit our website at sfpublishers.net to discover more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon and select the option of all notifications. In this way you won't miss out any fresh upload of ours.